Edmonton's summers are beautiful, but they also bring record-breaking thunderstorms, golf ball-sized hail, and epic amounts of rain, causing blackouts and major surges of storm runoff. Day in and day out, EPCOR employees brave these storms to keep you connected and comfortable. It's what we do every day, no matter the forecast. This was one of those days. July 12, 2012. While Edmontonians slept, an intense summer storm was bearing down on their city. The day had been sunny and beautiful, but no one could predict the fury that would follow. Residents awoke to find the early morning sky lit up with hundreds of lightning strikes. Soon enough, they were searching for candles and flashlights as large parts of the city went dark. In EPCOR's power control room, Rick could see the trouble brewing.
I just happened to go to the window that night and I looked out and you could just see the blackness. This is not good. This is not going to be good. So then I go to my computer screen and I bring up my weather channel and my lightning pictures, and sure enough, poof, 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 poof.
The lightning hit hard and covered a wide part of the city, making for an unforgettable shift for EPCOR's power crews. It was Doug's job to respond to the outages and begin to piece the city's power grid back together. The weather was far from settled when crews hit the streets.
You've got the wind, you've got rain. You're up in the bucket and you look over and on the south side you see the lightning. Lightning strikes is our worst enemy in the summertime. It can take a half a block of poles down, wire down. It can be a massive a strike, or it can be a small strike. So you don't know until you get there.
While the storm brought lightning, it also brought hail and rain of epic proportions. And all that rainwater had to go somewhere. In Edmonton, almost every drop passes through the Gold Bar wastewater treatment plant, where operators like Brian anxiously waited for the surge to arrive.
You're sitting here trying to control it. You can see it coming, but you can't stop it. Everybody's in high gear, everybody's running.
The plant was built to handle big storms, but even by Brian's standards, this was a big one.
Average flow into the plant is anywhere from 300 to 350 megaliters a day. And during that storm event, the flow coming into the plant was 1,800. Your heart's racing when that's happening.
When storms like this hit upstream from Edmonton, our river can rise quickly, bringing with it debris, agricultural waste, and plenty of silt. That's a problem when it's your job to consistently provide clean and safe drinking water to a city of almost 1 million people, regardless of how murky the river is.
We get severely impacted by the changes in the river water quality due to rain upstream of us. We need to ensure that when such a high amount of solids is coming into the plant, we are able to drain it back to the river.
As you'd expect, changes in river conditions brought on by summer storms keep ABHISHEK and his team constantly on their toes.
This is the river water quality followed by a summer storm, and this is the treated water quality leaving the plant all year round.
Big storms may be common throughout the hot summer months, but Mother Nature rarely sticks to a 9-to-5 schedule. Crews can be called in at any hour of the day.
Storms, for some reason, don't come on the weekend. They come during the week after we've already put 8 hours in.
While stormy weather makes the days longer, it also brings excitement to the job and a sense of satisfaction when everything is finally back to normal.
You're busy, and before you know it, your 12-hour shift is over. That's just part of what we do.